Alright, y'all, look what I'm doing today. Some air fried hearty chicken wings. And I got some rice there. You see what I'm doing? What's that? Yes. Got some ranch dressing, lemon iced tea. Yes, that's what I'm doing today, peoples. Look at it. Yeah, it look delicious, don't it? Yes, I know you want to taste one. Oh, let me go ahead and see if I can dig into this rice a little bit. Yes, yeah. Yeah, what? Yes, it do. So that's what I'm doing today. So, all right, y'all. I'm getting ready to get off this video here. So, y'all know what time it is. You know I gotta eat. All right. Don't forget to like the video. And thank you for watching my videos. All right. Y'all be good and be safe. I'm out. Peace.